Neem oil is extracted from the leaves and fruits of a plant known as Azadirachta indica, native from India, but that can also be found in tropical climates. With many different benefits, this oil has been used for a long time as a cosmetic and also in medical treatments, even today. Did you know that in India, it is always present in a kind of first aid kit to treat all kinds of diseases? Did you know that you can use neem oil even to treat mycosis, athlete's foot, and fungi in between your toes and nails? Studies suggest that neem's properties are enough to destroy many strains of fungi. Do you want to learn how to prepare a natural medicine using this oil? Mix 2 or 3 drops of oregano essential oil, which is rich in thymol, a powerful natural antifungal, with the same amount of neem oil, and apply on the infected nails 3 times a day until the infection goes away. If you wish so, you can dampen a cotton pad with some drops of neem oil and apply on the affected area 3 times a day. Besides that, neem oil can also be used to take care of our beauty and health, and also protects plants and animals against parasite attacks. That's why we decided to talk about neem in today's video. Have you ever heard about it? Do you know the benefits it offers and how to use it? Neem oil has antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also boosts our immune system. Amazing, isn't it? With all these properties, neem has many different benefits, such as reducing plaque, gingivitis, and canker sores. Just mix a few drops of neem oil in your toothpaste and use it frequently. Healing cuts, wounds, and sores. Because it is a natural antiseptic, it can be used directly on skin if combined with a carrier oil to treat and heal skin problems. Dry skin. Being rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, this oil is easily absorbed by the skin. It helps with cellular recovery and acts on the epidermal structure, increasing skin's flexibility. Treating dandruff, acne, psoriasis, and eczema. The frequent use of neem oil will help regulate seborrhea, calm down inflammations and irritations, reduce swelling, clean wounds, eliminating bacteria and naturally healing the skin. Natural repellent. Just mix it with almond oil and apply it directly over skin to avoid mosquito bites. Besides all these benefits, neem oil can also be used in case of dry hair, herpes, brittle nails, and stretch marks. It also protects animals against fleas and plants against parasites. Phew, so many uses. Neem oil is biodegradable and is not bioaccumulative, being harmless to the environment and for warm-blooded animals. Although it is an amazing product, it can be harmful when used in excess, both to our health and to crops. It's worthy to note that pregnant women must not use neem oil, since for being a natural spermicide, it can cause abortions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.